road to Itabina?
Itabina?
Stay on this here road.
No, that ain't right. I was thinking of
Take this road.
Nah,
You get
that ain't right. It seems to me
sure
there's a road, cow road, that used to lead all the way, well, most of the way. That ain't right either.
Hop on in while you give it a think.
No.
Any of you boys know your way around the Walter PPK?
Well, see, that's where we can't help you. I don't believe it's in Mississippi. Friend, some of your folding money has come unstowed.
Just stuff it down that sack there, will you? You boys aren't bad men, I take it.
Well, it's funny you should ask. I was bad till yesterday, but me and Pete here been saved. I'm Delmar, and that there's Everett.
George Nelson. It's a pleasure. Grab the tiller, will you, buddy? Hand me that chopper.
Say, what line of work you in, George?
Come and get me, Capus, you flat-footed, lame-brained, soft-ass sons of bitches! No one can catch me! I'm George Nelson! I'm bigger than any John Law ever lived! I'm 10.5 feet tall! Leave your food road! Cows. I hate cows worse than cappers!
Oh, George, not the livestock.
Come on, you miserable salary sons of bitches! Come and get me!